everybody, and welcome back to Mika's Scented Boutique. Today in the boutique, I have a new fragrance that I want to unbox with you girlies. And even if some of you guys are here, hello to everybody. If you are new here, hello. Please hit that thumbs up button for me to keep me in the algorithm if you don't mind. So what I have in store today is Victoria's Secret's new fragrance called Daydream. So we're going to check that out, and I'll try not to make the video too long for you. I'm going to leave the scent notes over here somewhere for you because I'm not very good with holding those in my head. But we're going to do an unboxing. I'm going to give you my first impression on these. So without further ado, we'll jump right on in. And this was a blind buy, you guys, that I ordered from online, and my order finally came in. First up, I'm going to show you this. This is actually free. Isn't she a cutie? From Victoria's Secret. Little makeup bag. And I did get Daydream in a bundle. So let's check out what we have here. So first up, this will be the Victoria's Secret Daydream Body Lotion. I'm going to give that a sniff. Ooh, very chic, very feminine, very clean, very cashmere. That is what I am getting from this. And again, this is the body lotion. So that's the first item in the bundle. Moving right along. Here we have the Daydream Body Mist. Let's see what the itomizer is like on this one. I hope y'all can see that. Oh my God, you guys, she is very, very pretty. I am absolutely happy with this blind buy. So this is the body mist. Moving on. See. Oh my God, I can smell the aroma in the air. Oh, it is very, very pretty. Okay. So we got to do a little digging on this one. That's fine. So this will be the perfume in the Daydream fragrance. And she is 3.4 fluid ounces. And let's open up. Maybe I should open it from the bottom. Let's see. Ooh, girl, I can smell her through the box. Now you know that's a good one. And here she is. Miss Daydream. Let's check this one out. Oh, she is so ultra feminine, uber sexy. She is going to be perfect for a date night. Oh, I am very, very pleased. If I had to rate this one without just wearing it, because right now I don't know how long she lasts because I just got her today. I'm hoping with the lotion and the body mist that she performs for a good while. Okay, there we go. that she performs for a good while because I have the other layering mechanisms to go with it. So with that being said, since I haven't given her, I have to come back and do maybe a short and give you guys like an update on the longevity. But as far as the smell, I'm gonna give her a 10. She was absolutely worth the purchase. If you like anything ultra feminine, sleek, sexy, cashmere, this is gonna be the girl for you. Very dainty. The fragrance is just right. It's not overpowering. It's not too light. It is just right. I absolutely love her. So again, we have the perfume, the mist, the perfume, the body lotion, and then this was my freebie, the Victoria's Secret makeup bag. And for my bundle, just in case anybody was wondering, I did do a blind buy online, and for my bundle, it was $102. So I think that was $102 well spent, yes. And I didn't show you the inside of the bag. She is like this. I have a very good feeling about this one. I think I am absolutely going to enjoy her. If you have already gotten your hands on Miss Daydream, drop down in my comments. Tell me how you're feeling about it so far. This is my unboxing and my first impression on the fragrance. I'm looking forward to wearing her and see, you know, what happens. And maybe layering her with a couple of other products. Like I said, if I remember, I will come back. I'll do a short and I'll talk to you about the longevity of this one. So if you have not joined my Sweet Squad, please join my Sweet Squad. Leave me a like, jump down in my comments, all of that good stuff. And thank you so much to everybody that clicked on the video. I'll see you in the next one. Stay sweet.